All right, let's look at the homework 5, problem number 18. All right, so let's find this derivative first. All right, so I'm going to use the product, not the product rule, quotient rule here. You have f prime of x, right, is equal to, right, so there's this 3 here. I'm going to pull it out. So 3 is just sitting there, right? All right, square the denominator. So you have a 2 to the x squared. So it's going to be 2x, right? And then derivative of the top is 1 times the bottom is 2 to the x, right? Minus, right, x on top. And the derivative of the bottom is a natural log of 2 times 2 to the x, right? So you can see that there's a 2 to the x here, and the 2 to the x is in common. So we can actually factor out. So you have a 3 here, and I'm going to pull out the 2 to the x from both terms. So you get 1 from the first term left over. Then you have a minus natural log of 2x. So a minus x natural log of 2, right? Over, right? So you have a 2 to the x. I'm going to write it as 2 to the x squared, which is the same thing, right? Then I can cancel 2 to the x here, and one of the 2 to the x cancel out. So what you get is going to be 3 times 1 minus x natural log of 2 over 2 to the x, right? So let's type it in. Right, so we got the 3 times 1 minus x natural log of 2 and over 2 to the x. Right, so let's check the answer. Right, we got that. Right, so we want to find an equation of the tangent line at 2. Right, so let's do that. So here, oh, actually, I have to erase that guy. All right, at 2, oh, sorry. All right, hold on a sec. All right, so first thing we need is a point, right? So let's see, point, I'm gonna, as usual, call it as x1 comma y1. So x1 is given to be 2. Then we just have to plug in 2. So you have, let's see, f of 2 would be, we get 2 comma, right? 3 times 2 is 6. So it's going to be 6 over 2 squared. So it's going to be 4. So we can write it as 2 comma 3 over 2, 3 halves. Okay, we got the point, and 2. And slope m is simply take the derivative and plug in this case 2. Right? So plug it in. So you have a 3 times 1 minus 2 natural log of 2 over 2 squared. So it's 4. So that's the derivative. All right, of slope. All right, so we have y minus y1 is 3 halves is equal to, slope looks kind of yucky, so 3, 1 minus 2 natural log of 2 over 4. Then you have a x minus x1 is 2. All right, so we got that. All right, then let's try to simplify a little bit. I'm going to distribute this to x2 negative 2 there. Right, so we're going to get, so this is going to be 3 times 1 minus 2 natural log of 2 over 4. That's just a number, x. And a minus, right, 2 and 4 cancel out, so you're going to get the 3, 1 minus 2 natural log of 2 over 2. Because, 4 and 2 cancel out, you get 2. All right. Then all you have to do is we can add the 3 halves so that we can isolate the y is equal to, right? So 3, 1 minus 2 natural log of 2 over 4x, right? then you can see that if you add 3 halves, you can cancel this guy out. So what's left is going to be minus, and there's a negative sign, so it's going to be a plus. And a 2 and 2 cancel out, so you have a natural log of 2, right? Since by adding 3 halves, cancel out this 3 halves, so it's cancel out here. So all you get is going to be actually I messed it up. It's there's going to be a 3 there, right? Because the 3 is still apply here. So 3 times natural log of 2. All right, so let's type it in. All right, so what we found was 3 times 1 minus 2 natural log of 2. All right, and over 4x, and then plus a 3 natural log of 2. All right, let's check the answer. All right, we got that. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.